Good day to everyone. My name is Hannah Myra Giamel. So in this video lesson, we are going to discuss measures of relative position, especially z-score. Z-score. The z-score for a given data value x is the number of standard deviation that x is above or below the mean of the data. The following formulas show how to calculate the z-score for a data value x in a population in a sample. So, meron po tayong dalawang formulas. This is z-score for population and z-score for sample. So, sa population, x minus u or x minus mean over standard deviation. And for the sample, z is equal to x minus mean over standard deviation. So, yun po yung dalawang formulas. So, meron po tayong example number 1. So, ang gagamitin po nating formula ay population. So, Raul has taken 2 tests in his chemistry class. He scored 72 on the first test, for which the mean of all scores was 65 and the standard deviation was 8. He received a 60 on a second test, for which the mean of all score was 45. The standard deviation was 12. In comparison to the other students, did Raul better do on the first test or the second test? So, yan po yung aalamin natin kung saan mas mataas nakakuha si Raul ng score. So, solution. Sa first test, kailangan po natin hanapin si x. So, ang x po natin ay he scored 72 on the first test. So, 72 po yung x natin. Then, 72. So, isulat po natin 72. Okay. Ang mean naman, which the mean of all score was 65. So, ang mean po niya ay 65. So, 72 minus 65 over sa standard deviation. Ang standard deviation po ay 8. So, ganun po, 72 minus 65 over 8. So, i-substitute lang po natin sila. So, 72 minus 65 divided by 8 equals 0.875. So, ang nakuha po ni Raul sa first test ay 0.875. So, ito po yung nakuha niya. Sa second test naman, ganun din po yung gagawin natin. Hanapin din natin si x. So, he received a 60 on a second test. So, ang x po natin ay 60. So, ang mean naman, for which the mean of all score was 45 and the standard deviation was 12. So, ang mean po ay 45. Then, standard deviation is 12. So, ganun din po, i-substitute lang po sila. So, 60 minus 45 divided by 12 equals 1.25. So, ang nakuha niya sa second test ay 1.25. So, Raul scored better on the second test than he did on the first test. So, sa second test po siya nakakuha ng mas mataas. Percentiles. Fifth percentile. A value x is called the fifth percentile of a data set provided p% of the data values are less than x. Percentile for a given data value. Give a set of data and a data value x. Percentile of score x equals number of data value less than x over total number of data values times 100. So, example po ng percentiles. On reading examination given to 900 students, Elaine's score of 602 was higher than the score of 576 of the students who took the examination. What is the percentile for Elaine's score? So, solution. So, ito po yung given data. Percentile equals to number of data value less than x. So, ang x po ay yung higher. So, Elaine's score of 602 was higher than the score of 576. So, ang x po natin ay 602 kasi yan po yung higher. Sa baba naman po is total number of data values times 100. So total of data values less than 602. So, ano yung less than ng 602? So, 602 was higher than the score of 576 of the students. So, yung 576, yun yung less than ng 602. So, yan po yung isulat natin. So, sa baba is total number of data values. So, on the reading examination given to 900 students. So, ang total po ay 900 students. So, yan po yung sa baba, times 100. So, i-divide lang po natin sila. So, 576 divided by 900 times 100 equals 64. So, ito po yung 64. Elaine's score of 602 places her at the 64th percentile. So, ika-64th percentile po yung score ni Elaine.
Good morning. My name is Isabel Opong Gindulan. The title of my report is Boxed and Whisker Plot. What is the meaning of a box and whisker plot? A box and whisker plot, sometimes called a box plot, is often used to provide a visual summary of a set of data. A box and whisker plot show the median, the first and the third quartiles, and the minimum and maximum values of a data set. Here's how can you solve a box whisker plot. I have here some example to how to solve a box and whisker plot. In this example, we asked to make a box whisker plot from the given data set. This one. To make box and data whisker plot, our first step is write the numbers in order to list from least to greatest. This is the example of how to make a box and whisker plot. In this example, kailangan natin gumawa ng box and whisker plot. First, we have here numbers 7, 3, 14, 9, 7, 8, 12, and 13. Ang susunod mo na gawin is to arrange the number from the least to greatest mula sa baba na number hanggang sa pinakamataas. So we have here number 3, 7, 7, another 7, the next is 8, the next is 9, 12, the last one is 14. So, na-arrange na yan siya lahat from the least to greatest. Next is you need to find a median or middle number, which is mula dito, from here also, ang pinakagitna na number dito is number 8. This is the median number or middle number, which is, this is the second quartile. Next is, hanapin mo din yung pinakagitna na number dito sa tatlo, which is here is number 7. So, ang tawag dito is first quartile. In this side also, you need to find the number na nasa pinakagitna mula dito sa tatlo, which is here is number 12. That's what you call is a third quartile. So next, the last one is to you find the number, least number and the greatest, yung pinakamababa na number at saka yung pinakamataas. So we have here number 3. That's the least number, and the 14 is the greatest number, yung pinakamataas. To mix a box whisker plot, we have here first 7, 8, ito yun siya, this line, this is 7 here, 8, and here is 12. This is how to make a whisker box, a box and whisker plot. Like, then this is here is 12, so maguhit, kailangan mo maguhit dyan, nasa sentro sa 12, this one. Then you connect that, you make a box, then paano ko to ginawa ang box? Ganito yan siya. Diba, this dot here is, this is the first quartile. I know, this is the, from here in the list, number here, this dot here. Then, ito namang dito is first quartile. Next here is second quartile, which is number 8. Then, here na also, this last line here is 12. That is third quartile. Then, I'll make it box. I connect it like that. Then, next naman, ito yung dito, I make a dot here. Ito yung greatest numbers. This one. Ang tawag dito sa line na to is whisker plot. This one, ang tawag dito is whisker plot. Pagkatapos ma-arrange lahat, maggawa ka ng box. Unang guhit dito is yung first quartile, which is number 7. Ganito yan siya. Wait lang. Number 7 here. Then second quartile is number 8. Then next is third quartile is number 12. Like that. After that, i-connect mo yan siya. Connect. Ganyan. This is how to make a box na. Then, like that. Tapos, yung greatest number, which is 14, here. Then, i-connect yan siya dito. Then, this is the greatest number here. It's 3. Ang tawag dito sa line na to, this is a whisker plot. And this is the box. And that's all. Thank you.